Hello, my lovely people. How are you doing? I hope you all are well. In this video, we're going to be talking about flowers. Guys, I love flowers. And these beautiful flowers here, which are peonies, oh my gosh, they smell heavenly, amazing. They are one of my favorite flowers. Last year, I planted one tiny little flower, little flower, like a little, how you call that? Like I bought it at Walmart. It was just small. And I planted that. And I'm like, oh, I hope it get big and I hope it flowers. And guys, it just grew and multiplied. And last year I had beautiful flowers. And it just was so bushy and so big. It was just incredible. So I'm like, whoa. So I wanted to save some of the flowers, but I didn't know that you have to pick them like when they're closed like this. Let me take it out and show you guys. I didn't know. So by the time I got to them, they all were open and then they didn't last long. But you have to pick them when they're like this. So y'all, I didn't know that. But I enjoyed them. They were beautiful. They didn't last very long. They bloomed and then they was so gorgeous. I took lots of pictures. But I want to be able to grow lots of flowers and I want to learn a lot of things about flowers. So for the past year, I've been learning about different flowers. I've got different books on flowers. And so I'm learning about different kinds of flowers and how to make cut flower bouquets and how to grow your flowers and how to let the flowers stay very long in the vase. And so I learned that peonies need to be picked when they're like this, okay? See these blooms? These are perfect. They're not quite open yet. Look at these ones. And even like this, they're just starting to open. So when you pick them like this and you put them in your vase, then the next day they should look like this. So yesterday I picked these. All of them were like this, like looking like this, just with the one little thing coming out like that. And look at them this morning. They are beautiful. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And these peonies, they smell amazing. I mean, I didn't even know peonies smell so nice. I just can't get over how nice it smells. But the scent is amazing. I think this would make you could make a nice like fragrant water, like a hydrosol with that. I may make some when I pick a next set at my farmhouse. But anyways, so I just wanted to come here and tell you guys, if you have peonies in your garden and you want to bring them inside as cut flowers, you just have to pick them when they look like this and then put it inside and then they will open up slowly, okay? And these are still enclosed inside, so it is still not open yet. So according to what I read, it should take about 7 to 10 days and it should have the flowers for 7 to 10 days. But if you pick them whilst they're open, they're already very fragile and they just fall apart. And I learned that before because that's what happened to me. But now I can keep these for 7 to 10 days. And then you want to change the water every single day, right? With these ones, with the peonies. So I learned something, right? So guys, if you have peonies and you want them to beautify your house, to beautify anywhere, like me, a flower girl, I love flowers, just do that. So I just want to come and explain that to you guys. You know, if you have peonies, enjoy them. I am enjoying mine. Oh, kissed by a peony. Oh my goodness, guys, the smell is just amazing. So yeah, I just wanted to bring this fun little video for you guys, and I'll be enjoying my flowers here. I got my beautiful jar. I got my beautiful vase here that I was given as a present years ago when I got married to my husband. And I still have it. And it's, what's the name of that thing? I forget, but it's a special glass. And it's very heavy, guys. It's very, very heavy. It's a special glass. And I understand that, well, actually it's a set. So I have the glass, some plates, and some different things. And I understand that my family members who bought it for me, they all saved up together to get it. So I'm really happy about that. I love them. Anyways, my daughter broke one of this in the set when she was a baby. So it's okay. So I have this one left. And yeah, so I'm gonna put my beautiful peonies there in this vase and enjoy them. So these are gonna stay here, and the others are, come with me, I'll show you where I'm gonna put these ones. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching. This is where the peonies are gonna stay. They're gonna stay right by my bed, and when I'm laying here, I'll smell those beautiful, fragrant peonies, and I'll enjoy them, and the rest are gonna be in my kitchen. So I'm enjoying them both places. So guys, stay positive. Remember, you're beautiful. Do not make anybody allow you to get angry or upset, because it's not worth it. You only have one life. And ciao, ciao, my loves. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.